Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are going to install the solar panel in your house and you want to save the money on your monthly electricity bill, then you must watch this video. I will be showing you few of the points which you need to consider before you take the decision. Otherwise, it will be a big investment for you without any advantage. You have to see the house direction, which is very important. Your house must have a northwest direction for clear sunlight, which will be charging the solar panels. Number two, there should be clear roof view. It should not be having any obstruction. Like if there is any tall building, for example, your house is single story, but the next house is a double story, and there is a always shadow on the roof panels, then probably it will not be good for you to put up the solar panel. Or if there is any tall trees and all that which is causing shadows, probably only for the few hours you are getting clear sunlight on your roof panel, and after that there is a shadow because of those trees, then also probably it will not be good for you to make this investment. Another point you should consider whether it is worth going for this decision. If your monthly electricity bill is at least $300 every month, then only you should go for this investment, because the solar panel will be costing you around $5,500, and to recover that investment it will be taking minimum 5 years. So I suggest you calculate your monthly electricity bill, whether it is good to invest or no. Also, the solar system won't be much useful if it is a small family or if nobody is working from home, because most of the appliances you need to turn it on, like dishwasher, washing machine, or any other bigger appliances, only during the daytime. So either you need to install a time delay devices so that your appliances should be on a particular time when the sun is there, because if you are leaving the home for your office say 7 a.m. in the morning, so the better energy will be at around 9:30. So there should be some time delay devices to start the appliances. So you should consider that, whether you have to upgrade the appliances or just to buy another timer to start those appliances. Also, otherwise, if there is someone at home, then it will be probably easy for you because they can turn on those appliances at a particular time. Also, keep in mind that the 50 to 60% of your monthly energy consumption relates to night consumption, because then all the family members are at home. You spend more on the electricity, lighting, or other heating or air conditioning. So 60% is energy is during the night time, and that time solar system is not working. So you should need to either buy a solar battery, which is presently very costly, and it costs another $10,000 to $15,000 depending upon the different manufacturing brand. So there is a local brand, plus there is some other Chinese brand, and plus the Tesla Powerwall 2 also there in the market for around 14,000. So you should see whether your consumption is mainly during night time, because if you are working during the daytime out of your home, and when you are back you will be putting on the dishwasher, you are putting on the uh, cloth dryers or washing machine, so in that case the electricity consumption during the night time will be very high, so you need to invest more on the battery also. Otherwise you won't be able to save the money, because during the daytime whatever is solar energy is generated, it will be mainly going to the grid, and only very few energy will be used for fridge or other appliances during the daytime. and the energy which you are selling to the grid, it is hardly 5 cent per kilowatt, whereas at the current prices you are buying the energy from 45 cent to 50 cent per kilowatt. So it is quite a big difference. So you should also consider this. In the last, I would say it is good to go for the green energy, but must consider the points which I told you in this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this video, leave any comments which you have, and press the bell icon. Thank you.